Why is the Tesla Model 2 set to be the biggest car story of 2025? Despite previous speculation about its cancellation, all signs indicate that Tesla is pushing forward with this game-changing electric vehicle. Expected to hit the market in early 2025, this compact EV is a major step toward making electric mobility both affordable and widely accessible. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized its importance, stating that it will challenge preconceived notions about what an affordable EV can be. But how is Tesla managing to develop such an ambitious vehicle at an accessible price point? Today, we're uncovering the surprising details surrounding the cost, performance, and cutting-edge technology that make this car so significant. Tesla has been developing the Model 2 with a strong focus on affordability without compromising on performance. It is rumored to include full self-driving capabilities, though Tesla may offer a subscription-based model to keep upfront costs lower. Additional customization options could allow buyers to select battery capacities and other features, making it more adaptable to different needs. Aerodynamic efficiency is another key factor, with reports suggesting an impressively low drag coefficient of 0.25, which will enhance range and energy efficiency. Equipped with a compact 53 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, the Model 2 is projected to deliver between 250 and 300 miles on a single charge, outpacing many of its rivals in the compact EV segment. Paired with Tesla's extensive charging infrastructure, the Model 2 is shaping up to be an excellent choice for both city commuting and long-distance travel. Tesla's goal with this model isn't just about affordability, it's about delivering outstanding value. The estimated range of up to 300 miles puts it ahead of competitors like the Chevrolet Bolt EUV and Nissan Leaf, making it a serious contender in the budget-friendly EV market. The Model 2 will also benefit from access to Tesla's massive network of fast chargers, ensuring that owners can charge quickly and conveniently. The company has over 50,000 supercharging stations globally, making long-distance travel easier than ever. The performance aspect of the Model 2 is just as intriguing. While it is positioned as an affordable EV, Tesla isn't holding back when it comes to speed and power. It is expected to feature a more powerful electric motor than other budget EVs, delivering a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 4.5 to 5 seconds. The car's dual-motor all-wheel drive variant will enhance handling, making it an appealing choice for those who want a balance of efficiency and excitement. The advanced version of the Model 2 is expected to have a range of up to 340 miles, giving it an edge over similarly priced EVs. As for its launch, Tesla is expected to roll out the Model 2 in the latter part of 2025, likely around September or October. Initially, it will be available in North America and Europe, with other markets to follow. The starting price is projected to be between $25,000 and $30,000 for the base model, while the premium version could reach up to $40,000, depending on features. This pricing strategy positions it as a strong alternative to both gasoline-powered economy cars and other entry-level electric vehicles. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the Model 2 lies in its battery technology. Tesla is expected to use lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries, which offer a significantly longer lifespan compared to traditional nickel-based battery chemistries. Unlike nickel-cobalt-aluminum or nickel-cobalt-manganese batteries, which tend to degrade after 1,500 to 2,000 charge cycles, LFP batteries can last between 4,000 and 6,000 cycles. This means that a Model 2 equipped with an LFP battery offering 500 miles per charge could theoretically reach 1.5 million miles before needing a battery replacement. For commercial applications like ride-hailing or delivery services, this longevity is a game-changer. Fleet owners prioritize vehicles with low maintenance costs and high durability, and the Model 2 could set a new standard in this regard. In the United States, the average vehicle lasts around 150,000 miles before being retired, whereas the Model 2's battery could potentially outlast the car itself. Cost efficiency is another major factor in Tesla's choice of battery technology. LFP batteries are significantly cheaper to produce, costing around $80 to $90 per kilowatt-hour, compared to nickel-based batteries, which range from $110 to $120 per kilowatt-hour. Given that the battery pack accounts for up to 40% of an EV's total cost, this shift allows Tesla to keep the Model 2's price competitive. With a 53 kilowatt-hour battery, the cost savings could be as much as $2,000 per vehicle, making it possible to offer the Model 2 at a lower price while still maintaining profitability. Extreme weather conditions have traditionally been a challenge for LFP batteries, which tend to lose efficiency in very cold or hot climates. However, Tesla has addressed this issue through advanced thermal management systems and software solutions. By incorporating battery preconditioning features similar to those used in the Model 3, the Model 2 will retain a much higher percentage of its range even in freezing temperatures. Additionally, Tesla's heat pump technology, already used in the Model Y, improves energy efficiency by optimizing cabin heating and battery performance. The biggest shocker about the Model 2, however, might be its potential starting price. Some reports suggest that Tesla could introduce a version of the Model 2 for as little as $21,000, which would make it the most affordable Tesla ever. To achieve this, the company is implementing aggressive cost-cutting measures, including a more streamlined production process and simplified components. Tesla aims to cut production costs by half compared to the Model 3, which currently costs around $33,600 to manufacture. By reducing these costs, Tesla could produce the Model 2 for around $16,800, while still maintaining a healthy profit margin. Tesla's strategy for cost-cutting includes shifting battery production to the United States, which would qualify the company for federal subsidies, further reducing expenses. With potential government incentives, Tesla could see an additional $10,000 in profit per car, even at a lower retail price. This financial advantage will allow Tesla to remain profitable while offering an affordable EV that appeals to a mass market. Timing is crucial for Tesla. The federal EV tax credit, which could further lower the Model 2's price for buyers, is set to expire in 2032. That means Tesla needs to move quickly, launching the car by late 2024 or early 2025 to maximize its market impact before competitors like Volkswagen introduce their own budget-friendly EVs. If successful, Tesla could solidify its dominance in the entry-level EV segment, leaving traditional automakers struggling to keep up. Despite some speculation that the Model 2 might be replaced or rebranded, Elon Musk has confirmed that it is still on Tesla's roadmap. While he has suggested that a traditional $25,000 Tesla may not be necessary, it's clear that Tesla is working on a vehicle in this price range. Some reports suggest that the company may integrate elements of the Model 2 into a new project like the Cybercab, but the demand for an affordable, practical EV remains strong. Tesla has already demonstrated its ability to disrupt the automotive industry, and the Model 2 could be its most impactful vehicle yet. The key question is whether Tesla can meet its aggressive production goals while maintaining high-quality standards. If it succeeds, the Model 2 could reshape the affordable EV market and bring electric mobility to millions of new customers. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Model 2? Do you believe Tesla will be able to deliver on its promise of a budget-friendly electric car without compromising quality and performance? Let us know what features you're most excited about. Tesla isn't just sitting back, it's actively working on a groundbreaking new product that could change the EV market forever. In fact, there are not just one but two new vehicles in development that are set to capture massive attention. One of the most highly anticipated among them is the Tesla Model 2, which has been at the center of speculation and excitement for years. But what makes this model such a significant milestone for the company, and why is it being called the biggest car story of 2025? Despite rumors of cancellation, the Model 2 is moving forward and expected to launch in early 2025. Elon Musk has promised that this vehicle will redefine expectations in the budget-friendly EV segment. But how will Tesla deliver a high-tech, long-range electric car at a low price while maintaining profitability? The answers might surprise you. Tesla is known for pushing innovation, and the Model 2 will feature a sleek aerodynamic design, improving efficiency and range. Reports suggest a 53 kWh lithium iron phosphate LFP battery, delivering 250 to 300 miles per charge. With Tesla's vast supercharger network, even budget-friendly models will have seamless charging access. Performance-wise, the Model 2 is expected to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 to 5 seconds, with a possible dual-motor AWD version in the works. Tesla aims to price the Model 2 at approximately $25,000, making it one of the most affordable Teslas ever. However, a higher-end version with premium features could push the price to $35,000 or more. LFP batteries, known for longevity and affordability, will help keep costs down. These batteries last up to 1.5 million miles, making the Model 2 an excellent long-term investment. Manufacturing efficiency is another key factor in affordability. By reducing production costs by nearly 50% compared to the Model 3, Tesla expects to produce the Model 2 for around $16,800 per unit. If priced at $22,000, Tesla could still achieve a 30% profit margin. Additionally, US-made LFP batteries will qualify for federal incentives, potentially bringing the price even lower. Elon Musk has hinted that Tesla may take an innovative approach with the Model 2, possibly integrating self-driving capabilities or robo-taxi elements. While the final design remains a mystery, one thing is certain: the Model 2 is set to revolutionize electric mobility. With affordability, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, 2025 could be the year Tesla changes the game once again.